This morning I'm at Tree Hill Nature Center and I'm gonna take you guys along. Let's go and check it out. It's a really cool place actually. Tree Hill Nature Center. Used to I came here all the time, but I haven't been here for years. Interesting to come back and see the changes. It's gotten so green and like a jungle. Wow. Okay. The happy hamster cow. Morning. Hello. Hi. How are you doing? I think last time I was here was like maybe 5-6 years ago, and they still have those coats. Maybe those are different ones. Hello. Hi. Oh. What's going on? Yeah, don't turn it upside down. Chickens are coming, chickens are coming. I wonder who can actually walk up there. I think this boardwalk is for chickens. I don't think they're gonna let anybody else walk there. This is so cool. I haven't seen this boardwalk. That's new. Wow, really cool. Zebra longwing. Beautiful butterfly. There you are. Red-eyed vireo. Constantly on the move. Red-eyed vireo. They keep singing all day long. Pretty cool. Red-eyed vireo. So we have Monarch Butterfly flying right here. It's a beautiful butterfly. Monarch Butterfly. They migrate every year all the way to Mexico. I heard that they are in danger to go extinct. This one is some kind of swallowtail. Swallowtail butterfly. You know, butterflies love these milkweed. Milkweed? Is that how it's called? I think so. Dragonfly. Look, they even have pumpkin there. That's so cool. Pumpkins are growing on the side of the trail. Arlington Community Garden. Look at that. Butterfly garden. I don't know if they still have, but they had butterfly festival here every year. I think they do have. I have to look up. Nice trail. Really cool. You know what's cool about this place? It's like a jungle. We are approaching to the second half of summer. Birds have plenty of food here. So, what's going on? What's going on with you? Nothing. Just letting everybody know that this is my place. Right? Hey! Where's your tail? You lost your tail. Your tail is missing. Okay, do it again. Yeah, good job. They have these cool old birdhouses. How are you doing? Doing alright? Let's walk this trail. Let's see where it goes. So this one is called Red Bay Branch Longleaf Pine. Okay, let's check it out. I think I remember this trail back in the woods. This one is a longer trail. I wonder where it goes. Longleaf Pine Trail. Okay. Wherever this trail goes, we'll find out together. It still keeps going. So now, one trail goes this way, another one this way. And it says exit this way. I'm gonna take this one instead. I'm not planning to get to the exit yet. I want to see all the trails. So this trail is now a yellow trail. They have a sitting place. This boardwalk is closed. Employees only. Okay. I've been walking probably a mile already and still keeps going. Very cool. This is pretty wild. Narrow trail goes through the wilderness. Okay, paved trail is ahead. Oh, that's where it ends. Okay, all right. The paved section takes us back out. It's actually a very pretty here. That was the long-leaf pine trail over there. They went all the way around, came back here. Okay, let's head back to the up front and see some animals there. You're here and we did this blue trail and then came back and took a yellow trail. I remember this bridge. When my kids was little, they loved this bridge. Pretty. Okay, who lives in this room? I remember they had a barred owl, but he's probably not here anymore. American alligator. And there it is, coming out of water. It's tiny, but it's cool. It's just such a cool animals. They have a good life here. But the chickens having the best life. They can roam around wherever they want to go. And that's where the gopher tortoises live. In that hole. I wonder if he's there or somewhere else. Let's look around. Look at that. They're having a conversation. He went to see the neighbor. Look at that. This one is all covered with sand. I guess he was digging. Yeah, busy digging. Never seen them covered with sand like that. So cool. Even a squirrel is enjoying this area. Yeah, squirrel. Hello. Hi. Ichi. Look, the other one is over there. He's staring at me. So that's where the owl's supposed to be. Oh, I can see. Owl is over there. Hello. What are you doing? Nothing. I know they have seaweed inside. I'm not gonna go this time because my battery is about to die. So I'm gonna head back out. And yep, thank you for watching and following along. This is a cool place. I highly recommend to come and check it out. Okay, I'll see you all next time.
Such a chameleon, guess your cover's out again. Feeling not so wonderful, your world just ain't so colorful. Well, there's no place to hide with a thought.